Hi everybody, welcome to this new video in the IECHost series. Today we will have a look at a new feature that I've added in version 3.2 of the GUI client, and such feature advises users when disks appear to be using more than 35 tracks. For this specific disk I'm going to dump here. I already know that the two outermost tracks are inaccessible, so we'll set the outermost track option here, pre-initialize the disk, and yep, everything else is pretty much standard. So let's see what happens. As you can see, when I use the outermost track option, the tracks on the outer edge that are inaccessible are marked as such, which means the dumping time is less as well, and each zone is scanned with the appropriate density setting. And there you go. The GUI client has found out that there is some information in the BAM sector after the disk ID, which is usually where BAM data is stored for disks that use more than 35 tracks, which could mean 40 track disks, 41, and possibly beyond. Let's have a look after saving the disk at the logging. So two messages. This one we've seen previously. Inaccessible tracks are not in use, according to what the BAM says, and track 3640 might be in use. So if this was just a first pass scan, in order to find out which disk images were suspected to be using more than 35 tracks, one could actually look for this string within the log file, and the log file would be this one .log anyway, so it would be easy to find out that is this disk that is suspected to be using more than 35 tracks. Otherwise, if at first pass now a user wanted to dump this disk as a 40 track disk, he could be running the 40 track version of the GUI client in parallel and just hit warp save to D64 there to get the disk dumped immediately. The two versions can coexist, run at the same time, as long as they're not busy at the same time. I'll probably make sure to make it more evident, possibly in the title bar, which version is being used. So there will be something like 35 track version here in the title, and for the 40 track one there will be 40 track. Other than that, you can see that the allocated sectors have been displayed, marked with this little circle in them, as I was commenting on before. And while dumping, the directory listing is also decoded. And what's unconventional here is that scratched files are shown now, which is one of the changes that's coming in version 3.2. In fact, if I were to request the directory as example after this file here, which is 90 sectors long, this one wouldn't show up, these three wouldn't show up, and the next one would be another 19 one. Let's just have a look. So this one, and then 19 again. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.